Nearly there, fellas. Nearly there. Crazy. Crazy bats. Look at this guy. It's good to see you tonight. How are you, Crazy? Crazy ninja? What actual songs playing? There's no song playing. Oh, that's the song playing. Alright, I'm gonna switch it to the face. Okay. How's everyone? Alright. Testing another setup right now. A couple of the videos that I've been recording have come out corrupt. And so testing out another way of recording on the OBS thingamabob. Yeah. I don't want to keep downloading like 12 gig files from like Twitch VOD, especially when they come out like not great, you know, not the best quality. So trying to do like AV1 recording, I've switched back to her H.265. Ah, here we go. Oh. Okay. This prompted me. I might do it here as well. I might do another one. So last night, or the day before, the stream that I did for Streamer.bot, the whole tutorial thing, corrupted. So I might have to do it again. Thanks, Reen, for that redeem. That put me into the mood to try and sort it out again. So let me sort out the windows again and see if I can get it set up, and we'll get that whole tutorial thing happening. Yeah, you're about to see how useful you are. You're about to see how useful you are. You don't even know. And so instead of going to, you know, your where is it? Where is he? I'm even having trouble. Okay, viewer rewards and then rewards, and then not even this, not even that. You gotta go to channel points and then you go to manage channel point rewards, and instead of going through and disabling those and re-enabling those and whatnot, what you can do is you can tie it to Streamer.bot and your, you know, Stream Deck or LoupeDeck. I was doing this earlier before, like yesterday, but the stream's VOD got corrupted, so we'll do another one now. And this time I might try and do an enable all and disable all, instead of we can do a singular one or a multiple one. So the multiple one, we'll do all of it. Blame Carter, they said I gotta chat more. You do have to chat more instead of just fucking redeeming shit. I'm alright, I guess I slept in. Sleeping is always great, man. Sleeping is unless you have a flight the next day. Sleeping is great. It's raining, so that's annoying. No, it's great. Sleep in when it's raining. That's the best. The best time to sleep in is when it's raining. Okay, so let's get back into what was I looking at? It was. So here's what we had before. Actually, while we're doing this, I might take off the hat. That's for the Mario. So we'll put that back on. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to disable all of these rewards with a push of a button. And now I've started with these three, right? The last tutorial that I got corrupted was that one. We're gonna put one here that's all redeems on and off, so that we don't have to go digging around any menus. Okay, in you know, in your Twitch creator dashboard. So to do that, we're gonna go to actions. Sorry, command. We're gonna make a command. So I've made a group here for that command. I'm gonna add a command there, right? We'll name it all rewards toggle, right? Copy that, we'll make that. Now, I don't want this reward to be triggered by anyone except me, so I'll deny everyone, ignoring the bot account. And we don't want it going through Twitch messages, so we don't want it going through chat. I think that's what it means. I think that's what it means. All right, so that's an okay. So we've got that. I forgot to change that to the correct group, so it, you know, everything in its rightful place. Now in actions is where that trigger is going to be utilized, or that command. So here we will make a new action, and we'll call toggle rewards. The toggle, let me spell it right, channel rewards. We'll leave it in the rewards, and default queue, always run, exclude from the action, and done. Okay, so we've created the action for our trigger, and the trigger is the command. So what we're going to do is add the command here, which is in core commands, command triggered, and then now we're going to look for that all rewards toggle. Done. So when that gets toggled, we want the sub actions. That's what's going to happen. This is what's going to do the whole thing. Okay, so we want Twitch channel rewards, and then you want set enabled state, that one there, right? So as you might know or can tell, we're gonna have a lot of these actions because there's a lot of rewards. All right, so we'll do a snapshot toggle, done. What I want to do now is I want to count how many of these I want to affect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of these that I want to affect. So about 8 more. So if I can I duplicate these? Duplicate sub action. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and wow. I think I've left snapshot off, so I think we just need to get rid of 1, so it's just 8. Okay, delete sub action. Yes. Okay, so it's not snapshot that we want to toggle. We want to toggle wheezing laugh. Okay, actually we'll go in order. Okay, so bro, business time, have you ever, look at us, now you're a man, spaghetti, unrustled at Jimmy's, and what was? Yep, that's everything. That's everything. Okay, so we're gonna toggle that. All right, so got all of our actions set to go when this trigger goes. All we need to do now is pop in a button here. So we're gonna make a button in Streamer.bot, an action. So the display name for this will be rewards toggle. Okay. And then the category will be actions, and then it would be the one that we just made. So toggle channel rewards. Save that. So that's been made. Now we'll just make it give it a background. Give it a nice orangey, you know, orange background. Just keep it simple for now. We'll do a whole graphic thing on it when we feel like it. Save it. Right. Now we can set it up now, and it will toggle it on and off. See, it's done everything. Oh, I forgot. Whoops. Okay, let's put that back on. I forgot whoops. So we'll duplicate that sub option, and then we'll set up whoops. Done. That's it. But I want it to toggle on and off so I can tell when they're off and on. I don't want to have to keep digging into the menu to find out whether I've got it on or off. So what I'm going to do is go to the custom actions, right? And I've got a few already set up. So I've got these set up. I'm going to make another one. It's a multi-toggle, right? So I'm going to name this one channel toggle, or channel rewards toggle, right? And we will drag in that original one that we just made, that action one. So rewards toggle, drag that in. So that's the first one. We'll save that. The next one is we want it to toggle to a text saying the toggle is off. So rewards off. So rewards are off. Let's say put that as text as well. We'll save that. Now we'll change it to a gray, and that'll do. Now I want it to come back on. So what? Oh, maybe I can just. You know what? We can update this. We'll update this from the one that I did the last time. We'll get rid of this. Okay. We'll add this one back on. Rewards toggle. Make an action. Drag the rewards toggle in there. Now I notice that we can change the background here. Cancel that. Cancel that. We'll save it again. We'll save it again. Okay. So this one, I noticed that we can probably change it. And then put rewards off. Ooh, I don't think we can. Buddy. Okay, scratch that. It doesn't look like we can change the main, the main thing. I mean, in a I guess we can just change it to something like off button, right? Something like LoupeDeck media, an X or something. Is there an X here? Nothing. No, we don't want it animated. Something that there's no X. Why is there any X? Anyway, we can change it to a toggled state of whatever we choose, like an image, right? We'll find another image at some point. But for now, we'll say rewards are off. Save that. Save that. So now, when I toggle it, it should say rewards are off. It doesn't do that. Let me unassign. Custom, channel rewards. Put it back in. Alright, now it does it. Now it's doing it. Okay, rewards are off. Okay, so it works. I'll unassign that because now that the rewards are back on, I want it back to its normal state. Thanks, Creamy. Thanks, Creamy. It's all fixed now. It's all fixed now. Now it's all in reverse. It's all in reverse now. It's all in reverse. Hold on. I'll unassign and I'll delete it and I'll remake it. It's all in reverse. I mean, the toggle works. The toggle works. It's showing up as toggled for mine. But I wish that we could put a camera. Yeah. And I don't have to dig into any menus or anything. Right. So now that they're on, but it's saying it's off. So I will just put it back. Oh, no. Put them back on, put them back on, put them back on, put them back on. There it is. I'll unassign this because I want to copy this, delete it, and then paste it. it's not pasting. Okay. We'll start again. Channel point, channel reward toggle. And we'll do action. We'll do it the original way that I did it before. So the original way was rewards toggle, then save it. Now we'll add a text saying rewards off. Do that. La la. Image, we'll put that on there. All right, so that's the rewards off. And now we'll put another action. And this time it will be the same action that we're going to toggle. So this one, except it will have a red background telling us that it's not actually toggled back on. That's the wrong. Why did it do that? Action, rewards toggle, save. We need to save it to let it know. And then we can do the red background. So it's not on yet. Save. Done. All right, so I'll put that there. It updated here. Now, if we look at all of our channel points, it's the ones that we want are still on. And if I toggle it off, they're turning off. Now I'll flip it back, and it's at a state where it's saying, you know, it's not actually toggled on. So I will toggle it back on, and now it's on. Done. So essentially I have to toggle it twice to go back on, which I can fix by putting another icon in, replacing the action and such. But that's essentially how you turn off and on rewards. So thank you for Reen for popping in and reminding me that I needed to do that, and that gave me the opportunity to record this tutorial again. So I hopefully can save it this time. All right, let's get on to some Mario Kart. How are we all doing, by the way? Was that interesting for you all? Was that cool information to know? Did you guys learn something today? I mean, I granted, half of you guys probably aren't gonna ever use that, but you never know. You never know.